In this video, learn how to utilize the new Duo Universal Prompt with Okta. Effective March 30th, 2024, Duo has announced the end of support for the traditional Duo prompt. During this video, I will show you how to integrate the new Universal Prompt. First, navigate to the Duo admin console and to Applications. We can see our previous instance of Duo is utilizing the traditional prompt. You will notice that on the Universal Prompt section, it displays Update Required. With the new Universal Prompt, there will be two boxes where you can toggle between the Universal Prompt and the traditional prompt. In this case, because we are utilizing the traditional prompt, we have to create a new protected application. Navigate to Protect an Application and search for Okta. Click Protect for the Okta application that has 2FA. Once we click Protect, the client ID, secret, and host name will all be automatically generated. Under the Universal Prompt, we can see where to toggle the traditional prompt and the new Universal Prompt. Now that we have the details, we can create an IDP in Okta utilizing this information. In the Okta admin console, go to Security and Identity Providers and add Identity Provider. Select OpenID Connect IDP and provide a name. In this example, I will use Duo Universal Prompt. For the IDP usage, select Factor Only. For the scopes, remove email and profile. Under the client details, copy those details from the Duo console. Enable Authorize Requests and select HS256 for the algorithms. Under Endpoints, this information can be found in the Duo admin console. Expand, show more, and copy the issuer, authorization endpoint, token endpoint, and JWKS endpoint values to Okta and click Finish. Now that the IDP has been created, navigate to Authenticators and add the new IDP authenticator. Select the new IDP that we just created for Duo. That's it, you have now created the Duo Universal Prompt for Okta. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.